Everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be telling you how you can set up the Apple Cash or Apple Wallet into your iPhone. It is very easy. What you need to do is, as you can see, there's an app, Apple Wallet built in. If it isn't in your phone, what you need to do is go to the App Store here, and going to App Store, just write here Apple Wallet. As you can see, the app comes up here. After going to the Apple Wallet, you can see that that's the app. You need to download it into your phone. As in my case, I have already downloaded it. What you need to do here, just go to the app. After on the first sign up, the screen will come up like this. You need to just simply add your debit card or credit card into your phone, and once it's set up your Apple Pay, it is very easy. It is very easy to, like, you can just tap and pay on just for example, it's a QR scanner. You just need to tap and pay and go on. So that's how you can set up the Apple Pay or Apple Cash into your phone, into your Apple Wallet. Thank you very much.